First some chicken, the basic, and then here ginger, garlic and lemongrass. Mashallah, this is gonna be nice. So I added the basic ones, start to cook it a bit. See, this one's cooking. I added some small maggi. Later I'll add this, more is adding some red onion, spring onion. More will come. Gonna add some corn also, of course. Chicken has been added already. More will come. This is gonna be some good one. Adding some of this sweet red pepper. Yes, adding some of this tomato. Now this is some nice chicken soup, vegetable, and a bit spicy, a bit exotic taste. This is the good chicken soup. Mashallah. And now, Bismillah, everybody can go and enjoy.